Hello friends, welcome to E2C, which is Education to Career. So in this video, I'll be covering the most important current affair questions part 15. So let's get started with the video. Question number 1. Which among the following companies has acquired Uber Eats? So the correct answer is option C, which is Zomato. Zomato has acquired the Indian operation of Uber Eats, the food delivery being run by Uber for around $350 million. The transaction marks the first big consolidation move in the cash intensive online food delivery market led by Swiggy and Zomato. Question number 2. Sanjeev Chadha has been appointed as Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of which bank? So the correct answer is option B, which is Bank of Baroda. Sanjeev Chadha has been appointed as Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer at Bank of Baroda. Question number 3. Which country is the largest recipient of foreign direct investment in 2019 according to the report by UNCTAD? So the correct answer is option C, which is United States. Global foreign direct investment total US dollar 1.39 trillion in 2019, slightly less than a revised $1.41 trillion for 2018. The United States remained the largest recipient of FDI, attracting $251 billion in inflows, followed by China with flow of $140 million and Singapore with $110 million. Question number 4. As per the official data released by the government, which state has emerged as the top state in vegetable production in 2018 and 19? So the correct answer option B, which is West Bengal. As per the data for the 2018 and 19 period, West Bengal has accounted for 15.9% of country's total vegetable production. It said UP produced 14.9% of the country's vegetable production, while Madhya Pradesh recorded 9.6%. Question number 5. Who has been appointed as the president of Institute of Company Secretaries of India? So the correct answer is D, which is Ashish Garg. The Company Secretaries Institute has announced the appointment of C.S. Ashish Garg, a fellow member of Institute, as a new president, and C.S. Nagendra D. Rao, a fellow member of the Institute, as a vice president of the year 2020 with effect from 19 January 2020. Question number 6. India has opened its first Mahatma Gandhi Convention Center in which West African country? So the correct answer is B, which is Niger. India inaugurated its first Mahatma Gandhi Convention Center in the West African state of Niger as part of its outreach to the continent. The center was inaugurated by the External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, who was on visit to Niger, and President of Niger, Mahamudu Issoufou. Question number 7. An integrated check post, Jogabani Biratnagar, was inaugurated between India and which country? So the correct answer is D, which is Nepal. The integrated check post in Biratnagar has been inaugurated at India-Nepal border. The inauguration of ICP, which is built on 260 acres of land with a cost of rupees 140 crores, was done by India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Nepal's Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli. Question number 8. ISRO will send which lady robot in unmanned Gaganyaan? So the correct answer is option A, which is Vyomitra, before orbiting astronauts on India's first manned mission to space in December 2021. The Indian Space Research Organization will send by Vyomitra a lady robot in the unmanned Gaganyaan spacecraft. It will be simulating exactly the woman's functions. There, it will check whether the system is right. Question number 9. Union Cabinet has approved the closure of which central public sector company? So the correct answer is B, which is Hindustan Fluorocarbons Limited. The Union Cabinet approved closure of Hindustan Fluorocarbons Limited, a central public sector enterprise with just 88 employees. The decision was taken in a meeting of Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Question number 10. Which state has topped the Scotch State of Governance 2019 ranking? So the correct answer is A, which is Gujarat. Gujarat has topped the Scotch State of Governance 2019 ranking. replacing 2018 leader West Bengal. Gujarat, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu were the top 5 star states according to the report. Question number 11. Which bank has launched cardless cash withdrawal facility for its ATM with a per day transaction limit of 20,000? So the correct answer is option C, which is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank launched cardless cash withdrawal facility from its ATM with a per day transaction limit of rupees 20,000. This service enables customers to withdraw cash from over 15,000 ATMs of the bank by simply writing a request on iMobile, its mobile banking application. Question number 12. Which has become the first state in the country to implement agricultural land leasing policy? So the correct answer in B, which is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand has become the first state in the country where the government has made a policy to lease agricultural land. In lieu of giving land on 30 years lease, the concerned farmer will get the rent for the land. Question number 13. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Washington Apple? So the correct answer is option A, which is Disha Patani. Bollywood actress Disha Patani and Chef Sanjeev Kapoor have been robed as a brand ambassador of Washington Apple's export of which from America is expected to rise by 20% this year. Question number 14. Which two mobile apps have won e-governance award of excellence for the year 2019? So the correct answer is A, which is C-Vigil and Voter Helpline app, the two innovative ICT applications of Election Commission of India, C-Vigil and Voter Helpline app developed in-house have won the e-governance award of excellence for the year 2019. The award was presented by KIIT Bhubaneswar. Question number 15. Which country is the partner nation of 34th Surajkund International Craft Mela 2020? So the correct answer is B, which is Uzbekistan. For the 34th Surajkund International Craft Mela 2020, the partner country of the fair is Uzbekistan. The state of Himachal Pradesh has been chosen to be the theme state. At least 20 countries and all the states of India will be participating in the Mela. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.